Welcome, sixth graders. I'm going to be showing you the assignment Why I'm Great that you're going to be working on today. I'll just show you where it's located, how to navigate through it, and just explain the assignment a little bit more. So to locate it, make sure you're in your GTT Design Schoology course, and then go to the Intro to Design folder. And down below then you should see the document Why I'm Great. When you click on that, your screen's going to look a little bit different than mine. Yours is going to have a tab up here that says My Document. When you click on that, it's going to take you to your Google Drive. And so if you haven't already signed into your Google Drive, you're going to have to sign in to that. And all what it is your first name underscore last name 27. But remember to do the @ardale.org. So I just put it up here so you can see. But you'll have to sign in from your Schoology page just to make sure you're synced up with Google Drive. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the actual assignment that looks like this. And so the directions for this assignment, and this is to get to know you, is why are you great? There's 5 things you're going to have to do. The first thing is complete each of the following questions below. Notice that's in blue font, which means it is must do. And then answer all questions with complete sentences. So don't just give 1 or 2 word answers. Use a capital letter, ending punctuation mark, and that's the aspire to do part. And then change the font for all of your responses to a visible font other than black. Any information or pictures taken from the internet should have a citation with it. So the first part is list or insert images of your favorite 5 possessions. And possessions are things you own. And so I'll do one sample here. One of my favorite possessions are my golf clubs. So if you have a picture of your item, you certainly could insert it. Otherwise, if you want to look it up through Google or other websites, you can. So I'm going to just search up golf clubs. And then go to images at the top to get different options. And I'm going to go with this set right here. And so for this, to copy it, take your 2 fingers, click down on the mouse pad, and that'll help you get this screen here to copy image. And then from there, go back to your document, and you can try doing the 2 fingers on the mouse pad again, but sometimes it doesn't let you paste it. So the other option is, you can see where my cursor is, Control V. So if I hit Control V, I then get my golf club's picture here. Since it's very big, I'm going to shrink it down. So I click on the image, and you can see a little blue square at the bottom right, and I can then drag it to the size that I want. Since I'm going to have a lot of these, I'm going to shrink it down pretty small. Remember, I have to take the link that I got it from, so I'm going to go back to where I got it, copy it, and once again, Control V, so that I have the citation with it. I just did 1 of those as a sample. You have 5 of them to do. The next part is writing 4 facts about what makes you great, and then highlight this answer. So remember to use complete sentences, and then to highlight the answer, I'll just show you here if I'm highlighting this part, drag your cursor, go up to the top, and the highlight color is right here. You can pick which color you want to do after you do your 4 sentences about what makes you great. Next is copy and paste 3 pictures or images of your favorite hobbies and activities. Very similar to the first one up above, but instead of doing possessions, what are the activities and hobbies you like to do? So again, if you want to do something from Google, you can. If you have photos of your own to upload, that would be awesome too. Next is write 2 reasonable, achievable goals. One is going to be for what's your goal for GTT class in 6th grade? Whether it's about your grade, participation, what you want to learn. Just make it very about GTT for this semester. And then the next one is your personal goal. It could be outside of school, what you want to accomplish, and make it a complete sentence. And the last part is taking a picture of yourself. Now, only your teacher will see this, so it's okay to put a picture of yourself, and remember that we're going to do a lot of assignments this semester that you have to take a picture of the product just to give proof that you finished it. So it's important that you know how to take a picture on your Chromebook, and I'll show you right here how to do that. 2 options. If you go up above it says insert image. And when you click on that, click on camera. Now, since I have the recording going, it's not going to allow me to take a picture also while doing the video camera. But your screen will say, do you allow the camera to work? Just click allow, and then the camera will work and you can take a picture of yourself and it'll insert here. The other option from taking a picture is if you go to the top here where it says insert image at the top, and then once again camera, and then it'll be an actual live camera that you can take a picture. So those are the 5 things you need to do for this assignment. I completed one on my own, and so I'll give you a rundown here of what I did. So for my favorite 5 possessions, golf clubs, my laptop, wedding ring, my car, and running shoes. Notice I have 5 of them and the citation for where I got each photo. I then wrote 4 facts about what makes me great, and then I highlighted the answer, and it's all in complete sentences. The third thing is copying and pasting images of my favorite hobbies. I love to golf, spend time with my family, and watch the Timberwolves. I wrote 2 achievable and reasonable goals for myself. What's my goal for this class, along with my personal goal? And lastly, I took a picture of myself and inserted it in there. When you're done with this, go back to the top in Schoology, and then it says submit here. And so that's where you can do that. One last thing to mention, I forgot to mention earlier, is if you are in Schoology working on this document, that's totally fine, but it doesn't allow you to take a picture at the bottom. So if you're trying to do this one and it says error, that's the reason why. So in order to do that, you're going to have to open up your assignment in another tab, just like I did here, and then it'll allow you to take a picture. Enjoy this assignment, and we're looking forward to getting to know you a little bit more.